Brandon Vaughn with Voodoo Forge here. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to make a drive hook. This is a seemingly simple project that in this one little project you're going to learn how to do a square taper, a 90-degree bend, a round taper, a finial, a hook, and a twist. Now drive hooks have been around since the Middle Ages. They're very versatile. You can put them into a wooden post, a wooden wall, anywhere where there's wood you can drive a drive hook into, because essentially it is a hook with its own nail. So they're very useful, especially putting hooks in your shop, out in the yard, something like that. So let's get started. Okay, here are the steps in making a drive hook. We're going to be using 6 inches of 1/4 inch square stock, and this is how it starts out. Next, we're going to do a square taper on one end down to a point. Then we're going to bend that 90 degrees. That's the nail for our hook. Next, we're going to do a round taper on the other end. And then we're going to turn that taper into a finial. Now, at that point, we're going to make the hook portion of it. And then the very last thing we do is we put a twist in it. So those are all the steps in making a drive hook. Now the tools we're going to be using, besides a vise, an anvil, and a forge, is pretty straightforward. We've got a set of 1/4 inch tongs, a rounding hammer, and a twisting wrench. Let's get this thing hot. First we're going to forge the square taper. To do this, we're only going to hit it on 2 sides. Because as we're hitting the top, the anvil is hitting the bottom. So we can bring it to a point where we're essentially just hitting the end. Now we will go around and hit the other sides to kind of square it up and dress it up. But that's it. That's our nail right there, forged in one heat. Next, we're going to put the 90-degree bend in. Okay, this is the 90-degree bend. We're going to hang about 3/4 of an inch over the anvil, hammer it down, then hammer both sides, top and the side. Make sure you get a good 90-degree bend there. That's the nail for the hook. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do another taper on the other end, but we're going to do it circular instead of leaving it square. Okay, it's the same thing on this taper. We're just going to hit 2 sides, and we brought it down to a point. To round this, you're going to need to hit the corners. First you turn it into an octagon, you keep hitting the corners, and eventually it is circular. Now to do the finial, you take it about 1/2 inch over the edge of the anvil, stop, hammer it down, and then you're going to start bending it and bring it back. Always hit in the back, don't hit the tip until it's bent around and you have a finial. Now it's also important that you do the finial on the same side as the nail. Otherwise, when you go to make your hook, it won't work out right. Okay, the first order of business in making the hook is to quench the finial, because you're going to hit it. If you don't quench it, you'll distort it with your hammer. Now with our finial quenched, we bring it to the horn. And while we're hitting the finial, bringing down the back of the hook. Bring it back, finish it up on the base of the anvil. There, we've got our hook made now. The last thing that we need to do is put a twist in it. So let's get her hot one more time. Okay, you're going to bring it over to the vise, clamp it in the vise on a nice even heat. And then we're going to go all the way around. All the way around. Make sure everything lines up good. Make sure everything's square all the way around. Now that you've made one, this is how you utilize it. Any wooden wall, timber, post, tree, anything, drive it right in, you've got a hook. You can also remove it. You can just pop it out and put it somewhere else if need be. I hope y'all got something out of that. From that one simple project, you once again, you learn tapering, you learn a 90 degree, you learn tapering and then rounding, you learn a finial, you learn a hook, and you learn a twist. Now you can take all of those things and you can incorporate them into other projects. So that's what blacksmithing is built on. It's built on different processes that you can then incorporate into different items as you go. So anyway, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button. And y'all behave yourselves.